Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to enable sound effects on LinkedIn. Whether you want to enhance your notifications or just enjoy the little audio cues while navigating the platform, this step-by-step process will help you get there. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, log in with your account credentials. Once you're in, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and is your gateway to personal settings. After tapping on the Me icon, you'll see a menu appear. Here, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. Next, navigate to Account Preferences. This section is crucial as it contains settings that affect how you interact with LinkedIn. Under this menu, look for the display options. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're in the display section, find and click on Sound Effects. This option allows you to manage the audio cues that play during your interactions on LinkedIn. To enable sound effects, simply toggle the switch next to Play Sound Effects. When activated, you'll start hearing sounds that accompany actions like sending messages or receiving notifications. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sound effects on LinkedIn. Now, every time you engage with the platform, those delightful audio cues will enhance your experience. Remember, if at any point you find the sounds distracting, or if you prefer a quieter environment, you can easily follow these steps again to disable them. Just toggle off the switch for sound effects. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you make the most out of your LinkedIn experience. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks on using LinkedIn effectively.